So hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install the Kodi in the FireStick. So guys, in this video we will see some faster ways to install the Kodi. Okay, so guys, it is free and you do not need to install and do not need to go any other software. Okay, so guys, first of all we are in the App Store. Okay, so guys, in the App Store you can download the downloader. Okay, so for downloading the downloader, here you can search the downloader. Okay, so guys, I am using my Alexa for searching. So guys, downloader. So guys, here is you can see the orange icon is for the downloader. So you can, I am already download, so it is redirect me directly on the app. So you download and open, and here you can search the code, which is 350314. So guys, this is the code. You can install your Kodi app from the internet. Okay, so you do not need any software and do not redirect you move on the other website. Okay, just enter the code and get your app in your system. Okay guys, so guys, you can see our downloading is now start and the size of our app is 71.9 MB. Okay, so you can wait and watch how can we install and what the next move. Okay, so as you can see, app is installed here and you also install this. Okay, so here it's showing the unknown app. Now you can wait and it's showing going. Okay, now it is asking for your security. So guys, here you can go to the setting option. Okay, and the setting option you can install the unknown app here, and you can allow your downloader to on and go back again back, and you can again tab on the install option. So you can click, and here you can see the Kodi app is now installing in your app. Now it is showing that your app name is Kodi. Okay, so guys, here the installation button, here you can see here is the so guys, you can see my hand, here is the install button. So you can click the install and you can see your Kodi is now installing in your system. Okay, so guys, it is very simple to install app Kodi in your FireStick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations, and please